Hi, welcome back. So today is a new product day. So by looking at the box, you might have guessed what product it is. For those who have not guessed it yet, ये देखो, it's my brand new helmet. So, which helmet is this? Which brand? What are the graphics? कैसे दिखता है? क्या price है? All we will answer in this video. Okay. So this helmet is from the brand called as HEADFOX. Okay, and this is my brand new helmet which I have bought for myself since I have bought the simple one, and तब से मेरा plan था कि I will go for a full protection. Now this one is a full face helmet. You all might know कि पहले मेरा half face helmet था, which I have it over here to show, which is this, the simple ones helmet. As you can see, the branding of simple over here, simple over here, and my YouTube logo is there. And few of their captions which is clear on the dot. And if you see, small s. So since this is a half face helmet and this one is a large size, and so it is a bit loose, and you know half face is ज़्यादा protection नहीं होता है उसमें, होता है but your chin part is exposed. So I thought let's get ourselves a brand new helmet.
Wow, nice.
Now this is from the brand called HEADFOX, which is a sub-brand of Steelbird. Now, which model is this? Now we'll head over to the desk and I will unbox this over there. Now let's unbox. मैंने ये already unbox किया था to check the quality and if it is damaged or anything like that. So I'm gonna open it. I have repacked the same way how it came. Okay, so this is the box. If you see, there's nothing much on the box. We just have a note of cross, the pricing and the weight and everything, the model number. Now, अभी ये कौन सा model है? This is the HEADFOX N2F SHADY, which is a full face Bluetooth helmet. Let's unbox. So this is the helmet, and this is a small pouch which you get. So before the helmet, should we open this? Okay. So what are the contents? Okay. You get a user manual, okay, which tells you everything in detail. इसके अलावा हमें ये अपना वारंटी रजिस्टर करने के लिए कार्ड मिलता है, 2 HEADFOX stickers, and a data cable, which is a type A to type C data cable, and this is very thick. Trust me, it is very thick. Now let's come to the helmet. Now ये आता है एक क्लॉथ बैग में, इस पे आप देख सकते हो HEADFOX का ब्रांडिंग है. It is written in all possible languages, I guess. Now let's open this bag. Inside this bag is the main helmet, okay, which is inside a bubble wrap, and we know what we do when we get a bubble wrap.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो.
So this is the helmet. ये है वो HEADFOX का smart Bluetooth helmet. Okay, there are many features about this helmet. Okay, so we'll talk about that everything in detail. My personal preference is graphics, but not too flashy graphics, but simple, subtle, and different color combinations. Okay, so why I purchased this mainly because of the graphics. As you can see, HEADFOX branding covers, then there's a small kid. Okay, so firstly here you get a vent. Okay, there is a vent over here and there are small vents in front as well. Okay, coming to the side which I just showed you. Now coming to the back, पीछे आपको HEADFOX की branding मिलती है, यहाँ पे ISI का certification, and this helmet just weighs around 200 grams, okay, which is 1.2 kgs, which is very light. It is really very light. Now let's open the visor. I'll just take my mouse pad, keep it on top. If you open the visor, we have a inner visor as well. So we have double visor. So now we feel the protective feel. So this is how the helmet looks. I had got this in the morning and I'm shooting at night right now. Okay, if I tell you the time, it's 11:30. So I waited the whole day just to shoot and to remove this. अभी कैसा है कि ये जो visor है, it can be removed from here. There's a lock on this side. You just need to pull it, one on each side, and then the visor just comes out. Now, if you see, there's a reflective cushioning over here, and these paddings are removable padding. So we have the button lock system inside, and this is a full tab clamp sort of system. We don't have the. I didn't get the D-ring one. I'm not sure if you get it in D-ring. Yeah. So my preference was only this. Apart from this, there is the speaker on each side over here. Here, if you can see, this is the speaker. Okay, one on each side, and now to control the speaker, we have 3 buttons on the left side. Now you'll ask, where do we charge it? It's over here. Okay, if you can see the charger, just pull it out. We have a Type C socket. Okay, you will have a small velcro attached to it, which you can pull, put it inside somewhere, and it sticks to that. So अभी मैंने अंदर डाला क्योंकि it's already charged. So now let's move on to the Bluetooth features. So in order to turn on the Bluetooth, here we get 3 buttons. One is the power or the play pause button, the previous and the next track, and volume can be controlled with the same. Power button को 3 seconds के लिए press करके रखना है, and here there will be a light glowing. See, on top it started flashing blue, and now it's connected to my phone already. You have to you'll just get a pop-up saying HEADFOX flash. Again, just pair it with that, and it gets connected. Here we have 2 lights, LED bulbs, red color, which glow, which states that your helmet is on. Now, here we have the airplane style flashing lights, which is very powerful, trust me. Now, in order to turn that on, you just need to press the previous track button thrice, and then automatically it will turn on. Yeah, it started. So as you can see, it's really bright. Okay, and you can cycle through different modes by just double tapping the same button. Now I'll just show you the brightness of this. I'll turn off my room's lights, and then we'll see. So probably I am not visible, but you can check the brightness of this flasher. I just put it on my face. Okay, as you can see, it's really bright. Okay, I'll just wear it and I'll show you how everything feels. So I'll just this is how it fits, very snug. My cheeks are very tight, as you can see, and this is how it looks with the visor closed. And I'll close the inner visor. So this is how it looks. So overall, it's really good. I really loved it, and yeah. Now the main part of the video, the price. So I got it for 4,000 200 rupees, including the shipping, the GST, everything. And I got it from Amazon. During Diwali, the same helmet was available for 3,500. So yeah, now it's post Diwali, so I got it a bit expensive. But your local stores, if they have this helmet in stock, then go check it out. And yeah, it is one of the good budget helmets. So if you wish to buy, it is really nice with the graphics and the colors and everything. The shell is also glossy and it has some pearls. So overall a good deal for 4,000. Yeah. So that was it. Hope you all liked this video, and make sure to hit the thumbs up button, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well, and stay tuned for such more content related to cars, DIYs, bikes and EVs. Till then, see you, bye, take care, ride safe, drive safe.